Oh, hello. So the big pours, the concrete pours, I will just buy the concrete. But for the small pieces, I need to do it myself. Makes more sense to do it yourself than to let a big truck come for 1 square meter or whatever. So for that we need sand and especially little stones. So I guess that's what we're gonna do. I remember this was easier. I don't know if you can see it there. 1 car, 2 cars, and a tractor. On Sunday. It must be mushroom season. Otherwise there would be there wouldn't be any people here. So it's a bit surprising. It's a bit early because what is it? It's August? Yeah, it's August. I don't know any mushrooms in August, but so I already know people are gonna say this is dangerous, blah blah blah. It's not. End of conversation. Now, that is. Now you see me standing. This is maybe 2.5 meters depth, and there are lots of roots that are holding it. Plus, let's say it falls. Then it doesn't fall like 2.5 meters, or it pushes me over and my legs are stuck, but I don't choke or something. And the tractor is far away, so that will be also fine. This tends to be sort of the max I go before I cut the wall a bit, make it more vertical. So no worries. think I'm gonna lose quite a couple of GoPro lenses this way, but not too much. And I'm gonna buy the little stones, because in theory cement, you need 1 bag of cement, 2 bags of sand, and then 3 bags of little stones. But in this area it's more like 95% sand, 5% stone. And if you wanna make decent concrete, because for a house you need a little bit better concrete than for a fence post or whatever, so I will buy those little stones. I'm not gonna do that, it's too much work, and I'm only gonna do the sand. So I don't really have much time anymore, so I just throw it there. That's fine for pouring concrete. I consider it sand with like a couple stones, but and then I just buy stones and then I pour that for the concrete. And the sift stuff is for laying brick. And this really big plastic is just so the leaves don't go in, because you don't really want plant matter in the sand. Good story. So this was episode 8 because 7 isn't done yet. This you should be doing after the concrete, but I'm going on holiday soon, and when you pour the concrete you have to keep it wet, and also installing everything, the rebar, takes some time, so I need to be here at least 2 weeks straight, and I'm dead only in 2 weeks and not now, so I'm going home. I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna try to do nothing, and that's not so easy. Thanks for watching.